Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience using the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today we're exploring MarketSmith, found at marketsmith.com. This platform is a powerful resource for investors, offering a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help identify promising investment opportunities. MarketSmith provides in-depth stock analysis, market trend data, and educational resources to assist both novice and experienced investors in making informed decisions. It's a subscription-based service, and while it comes at a cost, the wealth of information and features available make it a compelling option for those serious about their investment strategies. One of the standout features of MarketSmith is its robust charting capabilities. Users can access detailed charts with customizable indicators, allowing for a highly personalized analysis of individual stocks and broader market trends. The platform also offers pattern recognition tools designed to identify stocks exhibiting characteristics similar to historically successful investments. This can be particularly helpful for investors seeking to apply proven investment strategies. Beyond the technical analysis tools, MarketSmith also provides fundamental data on companies, including earnings reports, financial statements, and industry analysis. This allows investors to take a holistic view of potential investments, considering both technical and fundamental factors. The platform also incorporates news and analysis from Investors Business Daily (IBD), providing users with up-to-date information and expert commentary on market developments. MarketSmith aims to empower investors with the knowledge and tools they need to navigate the complexities of the stock market. While the platform's comprehensive nature might initially seem overwhelming, the user interface is surprisingly intuitive. The learning curve is certainly there, but the investment in mastering the platform can pay dividends in the long run. For those committed to a data-driven approach to investing, MarketSmith offers a compelling suite of features that can significantly enhance investment decision-making. Again, remember to check the description for all the relevant links. Thanks for watching.